Yo, what is up, everyone? Wait, am I sharing my wrong screen or something? Give me a second. Okay, should be good now. Good morning, good morning. Can someone in the chat confirm if you can hear me? Because I was having issues with my mic yesterday. Okay, thank you. Alright. Good morning, guys. Give me a couple of minutes to set up my platforms. Okay, trade away. And then motive wave. Then we have top step. Oh shit. What's up? Okay, I'm gonna stop my screen share for a second because I need to log into my platforms. Okay, how do I? Oh, I wasn't even sharing my screen. Okay. Good morning. Oh no, we're going live. I just went live in Discord. It's running a little late. Okay. Let me just log in. I'm gonna hide my screen. Okay, and we should be back. All right. Okay. So, good morning, guys. We're running a little late today. Wait, do you actually want to speak? If you know, you know. Or was that a misclick? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Give a couple minutes to let people join, and then we'll start. Gotta play some music. Hi, welcome to the stream. Yeah, you already had a big ass move, so we'll see if we trade today. You're already up nice on the week, so definitely not gonna force trades. So 830 is push straight up. Should retrace to this fair value gap. What you looking at, KJ? Mr. KJ. Okay, we tap this 4-hour order block, rejecting off of it. NFP pushed right up. Do we have any other news? Let me check. Economic calendar. Okay, we don't have anything else. Still gonna wait like the first 15 minutes at least and see what we do. We're just setting them for a push higher nicely for next week. Take out all these highs. We had to set some T at the highs. Wait, I'm not sharing my screen. Oh my god, my bad. Okay. I have to set up this indicator again. I didn't even delete it. Let's see, new week opening up 5. Border color. Damn. Give me a second to fix this. Okay. Hi, welcome to the stream. Mr. Take That Risk. Wait, you guys can't hear me? Oh, wait. Bruh. Yo. Wait, YouTube, can you hear me? Cause Discord for some reason can't. Yeah. Okay, just Discord then. Okay, I'm not sure why they. Okay, we are some issues in the Discord. Discord is bugging. Okay, let me leave that call in and join back. Hello, can you guys hear me now? Yeah? Bro, I've been talking to myself this whole time. Yeah. That's weird. Okay, thank you. All right. So what I was saying was, today we already had a really big move, so I'm not gonna really force trades or anything. If I see something clean, I'll take it. With low size, we already up nice on the week. I'm not gonna risk my profits. Risk my whole profits and then we break even on the week. So yeah, let's see what we can find. SMT at the highs, dumping to this 50-minute for a rally gap. Tapped it, and we're holding it. We do have a big opening range gap, so I still want to see it move lower. I'm just gonna wait like the first 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna let it settle. We held this new week opening up, kind of holding it right now. Quiet again, bro. What is going on? Bro, it's probably a Discord bug then, cause can you check the screen on Discord? Well, you guys can see my screen on YouTube, right? Pretty sure YouTube is fine. It's just Discord having issues. Yeah, Discord isn't letting me share my screen anymore. Discord is bugging. YouTube should be able to see my screen. Isn't? Oh, it's not moving, bro. Something's up today. My bad, guys. Can you hear me now? Discord. And then we have YouTube telling me that my screen isn't moving. Nice start. Is it working on YouTube? Okay, my bad, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna tell everyone to join the YouTube, because this shit does not want to work. What? You can hear me typing, but you can't hear me? That's crazy. Sorry guys, we're having some issues in the Discord today. Okay, we're not really missing out on anything. Like I said, I want to wait like the first 15-30 minutes, kind of let everything settle, and then we'll take a trade. You have a big opening range gap. Still want to see a move lower. SMT at the highs. Okay, let me call my other analyst real quick. Yeah, Discord is having issue. Oh wait, never mind. Yo, KJ, can you hear me? Yeah, guys, it's just a Discord bug. I'm calling KJ right now and then it's not going through. That's just because I have a really wide monitor, so I'm only showing like the part of NQ because that's what I trade. ES has just look for like SMTs and stuff, and I have nothing here to like show. It's just blank. So yeah, I'll try to keep it in the center. Okay, I think everyone from Discord is here now. Just watching YouTube stream right now. Discord is bugged, yeah. Alright, KJ, where can I call you? Because if we can call, do you have like Zoom or something? No, it's a Discord bug. And Q still not doing anything. Wanna see it push lower. And the P push straight up. We're rejecting that 4-hour order block as well. Big opening range gap below. So I want to see if it'll at least like the 50% of this, which is around here. Right now we're just chopping. Big move up, LR forming in new week opening gap. Let the move play out. Yeah. Especially after an FP. Just wait for like 10. I want to see a sweep out these highs or come back down to 50% of this opening range gap. Again, don't get chopped up in this chop here. You're up nice on the week. Okay, NFP big move. Let that dust settle. Wait for some clean moves. Yeah, if we don't get anything, it's fine. We're up nice on the week. You don't want to go into next week with no count. Bro, KJ called me somewhere, bro. Like Zoom or something. Let me see if I have Zoom. Let me download Zoom. Okay. Yeah. Literally not doing anything. Little SMT here, but not taking anything. Okay, there's Zoom. Just join, welcome. Okay. I forgot to join from Discord. Win shorts. I'm not really taking anything right now. It's too choppy. Okay. I'll post my... Are we shorting? I'm not doing anything right now because we had this big move NFP. Right now he's kind of chopping around. I don't wait for the move to happen first. Like we can either take out this high and then dump, or we come back to at least 50% of this opening range gap. We'll see. I just want to let it settle. I don't want to get it caught up in this chop here. KJ, I'm sending a link for the Zoom link. Discord is fine now. But I don't want everyone to join Discord and then it bugs again. Okay, let me call you on Discord. Yo, can you hear me, KJ? Yeah, it's still connecting. Yo, I forgot about you yesterday. Thanks for the short. You're welcome. Yeah, yesterday was a really nice short. Yeah, KJ, Discord is still bugged.
Yo.
Can you hear me now, KJ?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Wait, was it my Discord the whole time? Because I just restarted it.
No, it was, I think it was like everyone's Discord. Because like a couple other Discords I'm in with friends and stuff, like they were saying that the voice chat was bugging.
Okay. Yo, YouTube, can you hear KJ? Should be able to. Okay, yeah, they can hear you. Okay, nice. We'll just stay on YouTube for today.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Not really expecting anything in the market, so. Building this LR. New week opening up. 15-minute fair value gap.
Yeah, I mean, you know, every day we say this, like, look at how the macro just opens up and, like, nothing really happens.
Mm-hmm.
Because ideally you want the macro to take out something. So the problem with the macro right now in this range is like the range is so large. You know, we have what, like 15 minutes. So you want to see what happens in this next 15 minutes.
Okay, there's a 5 minute. Finally tapped it. So I want to see it go lower to 50% on this opening range gap. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to take any trades, even on my email. We'll see that if price cleans up. Okay, so 9:30 is here. Tapping this 1 minute. Still want to see a dump lower.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, right now I don't see any clean gaps. Because any higher time frame gap, it's accompanied with like a lower time frame gap right below it.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a speed.
Nice little dump. Okay, we tapped the 50% of this gap. I want to see how we react here. 4 hour. Let's see how this 4 hour closes. We have 4 minutes. Bro, we're about to come back into this range. We might actually dump big today. We have all these lows stacked up.
Yeah, I mean, there's LRL to the downside as well. It's just,
yeah, we could get like a couple big red candles, take out all these lows.
this 1 minute is basically the last line of defense.
Nah, these lows are about to get taken out. It's probably gonna hold here and then dump.
Did anyone like catch the short?
Yeah, I know a couple people did. Someone already posted in the BNL channel and they were talking about shorting.
Me, good job.
Like, where would you short it at?
I think 9. If you were up for like pre-market and okay with trading, like 9.16, that like 1 minute inverse. We took that high after the big move up.
Yeah, SMT at the
Pretty
highs too.
clean
Yeah.
delivery.
SMT. This
The
place
other
went down.
yeah, the other short I see is, I don't know, maybe 9.51 if you want to take a
Yeah,
FVG
that's what
tap.
I'm looking at. This place went down, close below the new week opening gap. 1 minute for rally gap. Yeah, not my model, so I'm not looking to take it.
Okay.
Okay, 10 a.m. Yeah, I saw your entry, nice. So you took it after the SMT. Yeah, good trade. It took me like 20 minutes just to set up everything. Discord was having issues. Still haven't taken out the 830 low.
Yeah, we're just playing in this little 1 minute for value gap right now. Caught the drop. Good job, Lopez.
Got the job one in it. Nice. See you, bro. I know you're up nice on the week. Call it early. Enjoy your weekend. Lock in that payout.
Okay. Okay, so we took out that swing high.
Yeah, might dump here. Tap this 1 minute, took this high out. Or retrace this 5 minute and then dump. Yeah, I'm still short biased. Waiting for the say 30 low to get taken out. Okay, new 5 minute opened up. If we inverse this 1 minute, I might take it on my eval. Did you find your setup? No, we just got on. We're having trouble with Discord. And I'm up nice on the week, so unless I see something really A+, I'm not taking on my funded accounts.
Yeah, for short bias, you really want to see this 1 minute inverse and not take the recent swing high that we made, because technically that that should be soup. So.
Okay, you would like to see a dump here if you're in shorts. Little SMT at the highs. Tap the 1 minute again.
One minute inversed. And now you want to see this last inverse.
If you took this inverse, you can target this new week opening up, but take partials when we take out all these lows.
Yeah. If you entered right at the inverse, you're already up like 20 points.
Yeah. Okay,
right below Asia, London low.
Yeah, it's an eval play. I'm touching my funded accounts right now.
Yeah, you're up about 40, 45 points. Take your trims. If you don't have like a consistency, or if you didn't hit your consistency, you know, hold a runner for those London Asia lows.
Tapping this 15-minute and new week opening up. Did you take that, KJ, on your eval?
Yeah, I took it.
What was your entry on it compared to mine?
Right when the 1 minute closed, so 2085.
Yeah, pretty much the same entry as me. We dumped trade. Little SMT at the highs. I told you if we're gonna go down, it should be here because we're tapping the 1 minute and we have this SMT. Once we close below, took the entry and a straight dump. I only went in with one contract on my eval, so I didn't take any partials here. About a 45-point move.
45, bro. That shit is 65 points.
No, because I took it at the new week opening up. That's when I took it off.
Oh, wait, you're already out?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Because we already had this big move down, so I'm expecting a retracement too. I mean, we can
so
definitely dump.
Yeah, if you're in this, what you can do is actually, so like, let's say you're in with like 3 or 4 micros, you could actually put like stops on the way and then just keep one at break even. So instead of just putting, you know, all all 3 contracts at, you know, trailing the stop, like you could trail, you know, put like one stop for like one contract and then, you know, like try to hold one for break even at least, because that way you're not exiting full your size. And then if we continue to dump, because remember, you know, every big move comes with a retrace. Like look at this morning move, we get this big move down and then we get this retrace up and then, you know, again a dump.
Yeah, take partials inside this new week opening up. We're holding the low. I mean, we can definitely just like have a big dump, but you want to be taking partials.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Is I just have my stops for like the remaining contracts. I just have them set like trailing, like one contract here, one there, one there.
I only took out my eval because we never retraced like to a discount of this leg. We just took out this 1 minute high SMT and just dumped.
Yeah, I mean, like it's the same thing that I went over in that video. Like this, to me, this is a joining the play or joining the move play. So I don't take this on my funded. On my funded, what I'm waiting for is London low and Asia low, and then if we get nice reactions there, I take like an inverse or something. Again, like I'm so green on the week that I'm only taking with low size.
Okay. Yeah, holding that new week opening up. Still want to see it dump more though.
Yeah, you don't want to see this strong move up either. So again, if you're in like a runner or if you haven't trimmed, you're still up like 15 points here. You can kind of decide what you want to do. What are we bouncing off of? I mean, maybe you can count that as like a 1 hour order block if you want, but
New week opening apps holding up, and also midnight opening price. We didn't even tap it. Yeah, so that's not really a good sign. Auto
there's
blocks.
also 2 15-minute gaps as well.
But we got like relative equal lows at 71s, 971s.
Yeah, London low as well.
Yeah, that's a really good target, but I'm all out.
I'm still in a couple. Again, my entry is 85, so if 85 hits, I'm stopped out.
Anyone take that short? And notice something, all the big moves happen after SMT. I mean, not all of them, but most of them. And this is why it's one of my main confluence. Even in the morning, SMT at the highs, look at this dump. Consolidate, and then we dump again. Drop, consolidate, SMT, dump. Chess. I have to leave in like 45 minutes. Yeah, SMT is really strong. I told you guys here. Go ahead.
I want to see this reject here and just dump down. Like now.
Pump it up.
So my thought process with holding, a couple cons now is, so basically if I hit London Asia low, I'm basically almost past the eval. I'll be like, one trade away. And even if I don't, I've already caught a good move, right? So I just went in with 10 micros.
Yeah, and this is why you take partials at like key levels. We had this new week opening and midnight opening price, so shoot up to partials there.
Yeah, like I was out most at 44, and then I took a little bit off, and then I had like one that stopped out. I don't know where. I think 46. So I got stopped there on the runners.
Okay, now I want to see it take out this high at 119. We have a 5 minute above it. We actually have another 15 minute as well. But shorts now, kind of iffy, ain't gonna lie. NFP, big move up. We open up, big move down.
Yeah, I mean, look, this exact thing happened at 10:02. We took the recent swing high, started to move down. So yeah, you want to see. I'm still short biased. The reason is because, big move up, big move down. So this to me is the retracement for the shorts to London low and Asia low.
Guys, like up the YouTube stream. 15 minute for rally gap.
Yo, what's up, Sing?
Done for the day, didn't hold to the full target. I also got a deal and 30 points profit. Nice. What a bounce. Yeah, look at, we held the low at the new week opening up. Bodies closing above it. All the bodies close above it. Or just above it, I guess. 50% held. Tap the low of it. Bounce up. And this is why I said my target is the new week opening up, not these lows. Like once we took out these lows, you could have moved your stop to break even. And then just TP at the new week opening up. Yeah, 46 point move for me. KJ, when did you take your first partial?
These lows 53. So was that 30? About a 30 point, and then I took another one off at 43. And then I just kind of like I took some off on this move up, and then the last one got stopped. So my thought process right now, for this eval is, so I'm up on the day, up on the week. So what I want to do is I want to take the profits I made, right? So let's say I made $10. What I would do is I would take like 20 to 30% of that, and I just risk that for like another trade. So let's say you made like, $1,000. What I would do is I take, the next trade I take, I'd be risking $200 max. And then if that's a loss, like I just lock out the account and then that's it.
Okay, SMT tapped at 15-minute. If we inverse this, doesn't look too bad to target the London lows. $10 seconds. I just want to see a bit of a move higher. We barely tapped that 15-minute. We still have this big gap unfilled.
Oh yeah, the SMT is strong.
Yeah, I'm not taking it yet.
Again, you don't have to take a draw on liquidity play. Just wait for that draw to be hit. Because, think about it this way. If you're taking a draw on liquidity play, your target is, again, it's the liquidity. So you're going to be exiting, 90% or even full at that draw on liquidity. So you're expecting it to bounce there, right? Like, so just put your mind in reverse and just say, okay, like, why don't I just wait for this to hit? And then I'll see if there's a good entry there to, for like a nice reversal.
Inverse head and shoulders. I mean, this looks really good for a short, but I just want to see one more move higher.
Yeah, this looks like prime.
Barely close. We didn't even close below. We closed at like the low of the fair value gap.
Okay, nice little move.
It's looking really good, but I don't know. Tapping this 1 minute. If we bounce off from here, tap this inversion, I might take it. And then I'll target these London lows. Again, only in eval. I'm not really trading my funded accounts today. I would take shorts on my funded if we would have came up all the way up here. No entry yet. Yeah, I'm completely fine missing out on this. It's not the best setup out there.
Yeah, I mean, like,
tapping this 1 minute.
yeah, if you're in shorts right now, you want to see this, tap this 1 minute, and then reject inverse this last 1 minute. Low of day, and you don't want to see any SMT kind of like hold there. Like, ES is pretty close compared to NQ, so you don't want to see SMT hold there. You just want to see this dump. London low, Asia low is they're so stacked that it's kind of free.
Still no entry. I'm completely fine missing out on this. And even if I take it, it's gonna be new. I'll play again. So you could like enter around here, put your stop at this little high or even here.
It should close below these two green candles, inverse. Low day, London low, Asia low. That's just kind of what I want to see right now. Okay.
What you don't want to see is ES take at the low and NQ doesn't.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, the SMT is...
If I take it, okay, I think it's a little too. If I take it here and put my stop here, it's not too bad. I want to see how this candle closes. SMT. Uh-oh.
I mean, same thing that we said, like...
But I think it'll dump.
Yeah, I think it'll dump too. You don't want to see that hold at all. Like, you don't want to see any type of big retrace up. You don't want to see, like, the good thing is, so ES is displacing below that low.
Yeah, that's really good.
Really nice rejection.
It should dump here. You don't want to see this SMT start holding.
Yeah, you don't want to see this. Yeah, you don't want to see it come back.
You don't want to see consolidation after bullish SMT. Should be
especially
dumping right
with
now.
displacing below. Like,
Okay, come on, NQ, dump it. Tapping the inversion again. ES is pretty weak.
yeah. Again, you just want to see this, like, this consolidation. It's good and it's bad. It's bad because, if let's say you're in this, you're probably getting closer to your stop. But it's good because, it's again, it's stopping people out. It's grabbing some liquidity. It's going down. The only problem is that who knows what liquidity it wants to grab, right? Like, it could grab these swing highs. Because that's what we've seen. Like, we've seen this twice so far, where it grabs a swing high, goes down. Grabs a swing high, goes down. Okay.
It should literally dump here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to see it consolidate like it's doing right now.
Yeah, even like this, like when it goes all the way down, then it comes back up. Like, you don't want to see that.
Yeah, another SMT with the ES.
Pay attention to the candles in like really good moves. It's usually just bodies. Like, you'll see like a little bit of a wick, but it won't be really, it's mostly just bodies.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. 30-second. 2 minute, 3 minute. Yeah. Again, no gaps. It's not even an eval play here.
Yeah. I mean, NQ did leave more equal lows here.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I was talking like more to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see 75, like what the reaction is there. Okay. Ooh. What a fucking move, bro. To 50 minutes. Though we have an inverse, they're just stacked. And they're right before these London lows, so you would expect consolidation here. There's SMT at low of day. So,
yeah, I mean, if it's gonna dump, it should be here. We went higher, stopped people out, should be dumping now.
The best way to stay green is not finding the best strategy. It's literally to stay patient and disciplined.
Yeah. And that's why you don't want to see SMT at the lows. We usually get a retracement or just start chopping around.
Yeah, like let's say you were in, I don't know what you'd take, but let's say you just took like that 1 minute tap at like 10:23. You're already up like 50 points, 40 points, and then you see that SMT, you could literally just exit full.
Yeah, that's one of my rules. If I would have seen that SMT and I was in, I would exit right away.
The reason I say that is because, like, let's say you're basically at that point, you're taking one of your A plus confluences, like your SMT, and you're making it like, you're using it against yourself.
Yeah.
Because I look for SMT whenever I'm, in a trade, whether I'm long or I'm short. So if there's an SMT and it's now against me, like, I should just be exiting. Nine times out of 10, if you took something like this close to draw on liquidity, and there's SMT, you're gonna get stopped out.
I have to leave in like 20 minutes. I don't get caught in this shop now. Just literally not doing anything. I still want to see it take out this high. And if we take out these highs and then start displacing down, then I'll take out my funded. Still holding the new week opening up.
Ten minutes until the next macro.
Yep. Pump it up.
This is the 1 minute that's been holding price down. Remember, this could literally be the same thing where this inverse is up, goes to take this high, slams back down. Took that high.
It should pump up, honestly. At least at that 1 minute. Probably even take out this high. Rejecting off that 1 minute.
Yep. This should be an order block. If you're like long bias, this should be an order block. It's 1 minute.
Let's see if it inverses 1 minute now.
Yeah.
So it came back up, tap this 1 minute. So if I do take it, 30, oh, yeah, 30 point stop. We'll see. Oh, we close low. Holy shit, bro, you scared me. That was loud as fuck. Still waiting. Want to see it pump up higher, take out this high, dig a bit deeper inside this 15 minute and then go lower. Probably gonna inverse just 1 minute now and then take out this high.
Yeah.
Again, only one trade on the day so far. Just on my eval. Still haven't touched my funded accounts. I'm not seeing anything clean. I'm not gonna take shorts until we take out the high. $30-second order block. Let's see if it holds. Bro, stick a wheel up on your chart and look at price. Okay. Okay, what am I looking at? Okay, how is this helping me at all?
Okay, LR on the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute.
Remove the bands and look how much price bounces it all. Am I tripping or didn't tap it at all? We never tapped it here, never tapped it here. We're rejecting out this 1 minute and then holding this 1 minute. That's what I see. Pump it up, pump it up. I want to see a close above this inversion now. Yeah, this is chop fest. I mean, you expect it, right? Big move up, big move down. So what do you expect on chop?
Yeah.
And that's why we only took this inverse. I didn't take this one. Because I still want to see these highs get taken out. These 5 minute, 15 minute get tapped again. Just one trade. Caught a nice move. No need to push it. Funded accounts are still break even. Pump it up, pump it up. Okay, I just have to place like one trade on my FTT counts, even if it's just one micro, just to lock in the trading day. Take out the high, come on NQ, do it. There you go. It doesn't look like the... Do you have a noise reduction? The mic permanently turns on and off. Wait, what? Actually? I do have that on, but... KJ, can you hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I'm also in the Discord call, right? So I have the YouTube muted.
I think it's because I have the noise reduction on OBS. I mean, I can remove it. Let's see. Filter. Okay, is it better now? Swept the highs, another SMT. Okay, my dump here now. SMT on the 1 minute? Yeah. NQ took out the size. ES didn't. Still want to see it go higher. This isn't enough. Hey, hold on. The WeWop didn't hold it. But someone told me that we're gonna reject off of it. Okay, now a rejection makes sense. I can see us dumping here, but I'm not gonna take it because I still want to see it go higher.
Yeah, I mean that swing high getting taken. You want to see this hold now. You don't want to just go back to 1, 2, 3 because, again, this would be the third time.
Oh, it's gonna go up there, bro. It's gonna go up there. It just can't dump right now. Like, I'm talking to NQ, bro. It can't dump right now. What did I tell you? I'm gonna take it out. Ain't no way it's gonna reject that 22s. No, it did tap 23. Okay.
23, 25.
You guys see the difference why we took the shorts here and not here? Here we had the 830 below us, new week opening gap that we haven't tapped. Went came back all the way, tapped the low with the new week opening gap, took out an 830 low. This here is the same, isn't enough for me. That's why I still want to see it move up. And we already took out the 8:30 lows. We already but tapped the new week opening app. So this short here is low probability. Pump it up again, NQ, come on. We don't need to dump right now. I can see this going all the way to 156. If we do come back up to 156 and then this plays down, then I'll look to take shorts on my funded account. It's almost 11 though. Might honestly call it early today. Just one trade, one good trade. Way too much consolidation right now. Want to see another pump up. Take out these highs. Tap this 5 minute. Pump it up. That's a lot of chop now. Yo, it doesn't look like we go upheld. But I saw this inversion parallel gap that actually held the price up. Okay, there's your highs again.
Yeah, I mean, I expected this, like... not gonna lie, I did expect London lows, Asia lows to get taken. But I think the SMT kind of stopped at the low of the SMT. Because the move down, like ES and NQ are moving, you know, they're moving together, so... And now we're going into the 11 o'clock, so...
Yeah, I'm gonna call it in like 5-10 minutes. I just want to see where we stop here. Like, I don't think I'm gonna take shorts at all now.
Yeah, I mean, no, there's no point now. Like, you know, I have my alert set at London lows and Asia lows. I'm gonna set an alert at high of day. And that's basically it. Like, you know, no funded trades, green on eval. So yeah, I would set the same alerts. Let's say if you really want to trade, you're funded, or if you have like an eval or something, set your alerts there: London low, Asia low, and the high of day and the low of day as well, and just wait.
And if something looks too obvious, it's probably too good to be true. Like this short here is too obvious, right? We had this dump, came back up, took out this high. Retail probably went short here. They're like, oh yeah, NFP day, we're probably gonna dump all day. Nope, SMT, displacement back up. Everyone who shorted here got stopped out. What did I tell you guys? We're going higher, not lower. Yo, wasn't that VWAP supposed to hold price down or something? KJ? Weird. Okay.
So I don't use that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Again, we go through this every day, bro. Start with the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute. Like, look where we're bouncing off of. Those 2 15 minutes. SMT is there. You get this move up. We commentated a couple like soups as well. So
yeah, just one trade on the evals. Go ahead.
I was gonna say, like, I'm not gonna alert anything that isn't my model. Like, I'll commentate it and I'll say like this. If this is a soup, it should hold.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, like, I don't expect everyone to come in here and just trade like exactly, 1-to-1 our model. Like, again, like there's psychology behind it, right? Like, some people like soups because it's just really tight stops, and if you get a really quick push move, like push down, you can take a quick scalp, right? You can take a lot of contracts off. Your stop is usually, if you catch it right away and the candle kind of closes, your stop is usually like 5, 10 points max. In reality, it's usually like 3 to 4 points. So, but yeah, I'm not gonna alert it and be like, I'm in this soup, because again, it's not my model, right? So
yeah,
I just wait for my model, I wait for my setup, and then I execute based on that. And if I don't see that, then I just wait.
And every day I tell you guys the same thing: just focus on that one good setup, and don't try to catch every single move.
I mean, like, even like let's say, like, let's just recap like this whole week. Like, yesterday it was like 35 points.
What do you mean 35, bro? Yesterday was 140 points. Bro's at 35.
Wait, what was the 100? Oh yeah, so yesterday, like,
yesterday was the big day.
The day before that, like 35 points, and then I think the day before that was like 80, 90 points, right? So, like, just add that all up.
Yeah.
Like, why would you try to give back, like 50, 60 points, like trying to trade again and again and again, right? Like, if you took a trade today and, like, let's say it was a loss, it should have been like max like 20 to 30 points, right? So even if you take off like 30 points, you're still up like 150 points, right? So, like, that's the goal. What happens a lot of the time is you'll make like $200. You would have made $200, let's say yesterday, and then today you come in and you take off like 150 of it, and then you see like, oh, you're only down 50, or you're only up 50, and you try to make more back, and then you lose more, and then you end red. Like, there's no point of doing that. Like, just be patient. I know a lot of you in here are probably like, like, I want to do trading for a lifetime, for a living, right? Like, there's a lot of skills you can learn, or a lot of things you can do, like, on your own, like, business wise, especially with social media nowadays. But, like, the reality is, like, trading is tough. Like, you can't just put up your camera and and put on like a trending song and like make some viral video, right? Or like, start dancing in front of the camera. Like this is, this is a skill. This is going to take much more than that, right? Like, just comparatively, like let's say like you're making like cooking videos, like this isn't just, cut an onion and like, clip it a couple like for like 2 seconds and then cut a tomato and like, place a video together. Like that's all talent and stuff too, but like this is going to take like psychology, right?
Great watching you guys trade. I'm in a few days now. Thank you. Are the call trades the ones where you say you're funded and the eval? So eval trade for me is like kind of paper trading, because I have so many funded accounts. I have so many evals. So when I say an eval trade, it's like basically a paper trade for me. And then I'll let you guys know when I'm taking on my funded. Like yesterday, that big trade we took was on my funded accounts. Today we only took one trade. It's just only paper.
Yeah, if it's like A plus, like, well, you'll be able to tell if we're taking on funded. Even if we don't say like we're taking this on funded.
Wait,
eval
KJ,
is great.
Did someone say we were tapping this 1 minute?
Did you say it? I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I did. I told you, bro. We're not going lower. Yeah, eval is grade B. Yeah, I guess you can say that.
I mean, like,
it's kind of paper trade.
Yeah, it's grade B, but then we also take like A plus on eval as well, right? Like if I'm taking something on my funded, why wouldn't I take it on my eval, right? Like, but yeah, like eval, we'll take more of these like, big move down and like an inverse and like try to get London low or like low of day, like like retrace moves. But on funded, like we want to catch the big move. Like we, on funded, if we would have had a setup here, like it would have been down there somewhere. So we would just be in runners right now. Like we're not trying to catch like a big retrace and like kind of join this move back up, right? So
yeah.
So at the end of the day, it's all risk and reward, right? Like, 100 points, that comes with trimming and stuff too. But like the runner can literally make back the next trade, like the loss, right? So, think about like a 100 point play. With one micro, that's $200. So the next trade, you could literally lose, like $200. Literally lose like 20 points with 5 micros, just with one micro, right? Like just with your runner. So that's the goal, to catch those big moves. And the only way you can really catch that, unless you get like lucky, is if you catch kind of the bottom or the top, if there's a setup there. So we're coming into premiums now, above 50% of the range.
Rejecting on 1 minute. I don't see a view up here, but we're rejecting.
Maybe it's RSI.
Yeah.
Anyone here who's a beginner and like not trading ICT, like I highly recommend just learning ICT. Like don't leave what you see on Reddit. Like, a lot of people just bash him, but like, the charts are so clean. Like, if a lot of people say, oh, it's just price action. Well, show me one video where like someone actually explains like how to have like, a chart with nothing on it, no indicators, and then read price action. Yeah. Right? Like a lot of it is just, it's either just kind of like what ICT says, or it's just a whole bunch of like, let's choose a perfect day and the perfect time to make this video and make it look like really good, right? Like there's literally no video on just like, a naked chart with price action. So I recommend like everyone just learn ICT. And this is coming from someone who was struggling with, these like retail concepts, like, all this stuff on my chart for like 2 years. So
yeah. Let's see. The hourly came back, dropped, new opening gap, held it, pushed up. Still have those equal lows below. I mean, it should reject this 5 minute.
Yeah, I mean we're in premiums right now, so you know, just
Yeah.
waiting.
Don't try to catch the top. Wait for the displacement down. Nope, only one trade. I wanna see a dump here. I'm not in any trade or anything. Less safe. I was looking for shorts, so I would wait for the displacement down, maybe inverse this 1 minute, and then so something like this. Inverse down, close below this, tap into 1 minute here, and then dump, and that'll be my entry. But right now I'm not really looking for anything. It's a Friday. We already had 2 big moves consolidated, so I like the stream if you haven't already. Would appreciate it. And this honestly might be my last stream on YouTube. I'm only gonna be streaming on Discord probably from next week. So again, I called out this 1 minute, came into this 1 minute, displacing down. You would want to see this 1 minute inverse here. Bro, look at this shit. Like, who calls it live like this, bro? Why is that? I think we got enough people. We have like 450 members in Discord now. We have enough people. And it's hard to go live every day on 2 different platforms and having to watch the chat. So I'm just trying to simplify everything because I'm also trading on 3 different platforms, and then I'm live streaming on 2 different platforms. I need to get a trade copier. Figure that out. Bro, look at this shit, man. Who called this out, bro? What did I say about this inversion? 1 minute inversed, and now we're dumping. I hope you guys learned something today. Why we didn't short here, and I was calling longs here. And then why did I call shorts here and not longs? Auto block, displacement down, close below this inversion. Why wasn't the short A plus for you to take though? It's just looking at price, right? Big move up, big move down, another move up. I mean, is there a chance we dump here? Of course. Do I care? Nope. I think the best entry shorts today would have been if we would have tapped this 1 minute when we dumped here. Before that, if we would have tapped this entry here and then just writing the shorts down would have been really nice. But we ended up taking the inverse. After that, I mean, we already had 2-3 big moves, so I'm not really looking to trade on my funded accounts. But still nice to see the model play out. Yeah, really nice trade. Would have been like 50 points. I wouldn't be scaling out right now if I was in this. I would still leave my stop up here. Like right now, I'm not expecting that big move, right? We already had like 2-3 big moves, so now it's just gonna be like more of scalped.
Yeah, and like also like Friday, like after big moves like this, like the big move up, big move down, you're gonna just see consolidation.
Yeah.
It's very rare where you'll see like another move.
No trades on the funded account today. Just one trade on the eval. It's like a 45-50 point move for me. So if I was in this is where I want to just reject and start dumping. I just want to see what happens here, and then I'm gonna end the stream. We got like these relative equal lows below too. There you go. Bro, the fucking precision, man, is crazy. Like, rewind the stream like 5 minutes. Okay, there's your, that would have been your target, at least one of your targets. Okay, just rewind the stream like 5 minutes, right? What did I say? Inverse this, we're gonna create a 1 minute, tap into it and reject. And what did we do? 1 minute fair value up here, inversed it, created a 1 minute in this side, like on the sell side of the curve, rejected it.
And you guys will not find this anywhere, I guarantee. Like a lot of the other times when there's when there's two people signaling or kind of commentating, they'll have like conflicting bias or they'll have like conflicting strategies, right? So what we try to do is we try to limit all of that, and we basically trade the same. Like it's it's the same kind of model and same, like, entry and stuff, and you know that's kind of how we do it. Because the
Yeah.
last thing we want is for a beginner to be sitting here and being like, well, this guy's saying long, this guy's saying short. Like, there's no clear kind of thing, right? So we try to commentate, and then like we know ICT has like so many things to it, so we'll still call out like, this might be a soup, or this is 50% of the range. Like we called that up there. When it hit 50% of the range, I said, now we're in premiums, and then Fearless calls out the 1 minute inverse, and yeah, just straight dump.
And notice,
And
even though I'm able to call like these moves, I'm still not taking them just because I don't like the price. I don't like how we already had the 2 big moves. That's just discipline.
yeah, exactly.
Like, imagine if I took the longs here that I called out and these shorts. I would have been up nice, right? But I'm not really focused on making money.
Yeah, I mean, like, look, like even me, like I took no funded trades today. And the reason is like the conditions. There's no setup for me. There's nothing really for me to join in on, right? On like a funded, that's like, oh, this is like A plus plus plus, right? So I took it on eval, and remember, don't think that you trading your eval is a bad thing, right? Because again, if you catch like one day with like
Bro,
a
look at this
100-point
dump, though.
move is insane. Yeah, this dump is.
Bro, I should have recorded that shit. The way I called it out.
Yeah, we gotta record.
oh,
Well,
damn.
the live stream is
Oh,
recorded,
yeah.
so
Like, this is how the charts looked like, and I was like, okay. I drew it out too. I was like, alright, we're gonna inverse this 1 minute. We're gonna leave it 1 minute here. We're gonna tap it and then dump. So if I exit out replay mode, there you go. It's maybe because I looked at the VWAP. I think that's where we rejected off from. Is that guy still here? The VWAP guy? Yeah, I mean, look at VWAP. Like, what has it done? We never tapped it here. We dumped. We never tapped it here. We dumped. No reaction here. Broke above it. Just 1 minute. Broke below it. Broke above it. Broke below it. How do you guys trust this? And look at fair value gaps instead. 1 minute fair value gap holds. Right?
the
Come
1
back into
minute.
it. Yeah, go ahead.
The 1 minute is so strong to reject off of is because so you're coming into premium, right? So if you're short bias now, you're expecting these bearish, and then look at that 1 minute. It's the first one right into premium. So you would expect rejection there, and then again, like so always think of where you're coming off of and where you're gonna go to. So we're rejecting off of the 1 minute. We inverse the 1 minute, the bullish gap, right? So now you've got bearish to the upside and bullish that was violated. So you're double bearish, right? And then again, the order block and basically everything else that Fearless called out. So always try to look from that, like where are we delivering from and where are we delivering to, right?
But why is that 1 minute? It's aligned with the 5 minute. Look at, we also have a 5 minute and this 1 minute, and we failed to reach it at 50% of it. Rejected, order block, inverse this 1 minute, created this 1 minute, rejected. Pretty simple. And I hope you guys are learning something from these streams.
And then we also took the internal high on the 1 minute. Like you see how many, when everything aligns, so like the 5 minute, that analysis aligns, and then the 1 minute analysis aligns, and then even like the lower time frame, like the internal like little soup model, right? Like that aligns. When everything just aligns, like that's when like, okay, like this plays, it's really good to take. Appreciate the patience, bro. Like, don't worry about that. You don't even have to thank us for that.
Just leave a like. That's all I ask for.
So now this 1 minute that's coming up, this 10:39. See how this has held price up? Like what you can bet is basically, so if this closes below, we should be breaking that little SMT.
Yeah.
To the bottom, because now again we've had the same move, right, where ES and NQ start to move together, and yeah. So wait, let me see. We actually have an SMT at those, like the 11:05 ish, where we rejected off of.
I have to take a trade on the FTT, So I'm gonna enter and exit right away. So that's what you're gonna hear. Should I really enter though? We're inside this 1 minute.
Wait for it to inverse.
Yeah. I'm only taking like 2 micros. Don't copy me. This is not an actual trade. I just have to put in a trade to lock in the trading day.
And so if you haven't taken a trade and you're thinking, okay, like, you know, this guy just said this 1 minute should go down. Like, no, that's not what I'm saying, right? I'm saying, like, you know, I'm just reading price at this point, right? So what this does is, like, let's say you're on an eval, right? So I'm up like $500 on my eval from that one play. If London low hit, I would have been.
Bro, did I just snipe the top? No way. It's up like $100 right there with 2 micros or something. Oh. I might have sniped the top, bro. Okay, stop at break even. So if even if I get stopped out, it's still gonna lock in the trading day. Oh my god. Okay, I'll take it. It's kind of a free trade. Oh wait, shit, I'm only up 90. I thought it was up 190. Okay, I'll take one off there. Again, not an extra trade. I took it on the 30-second here. I mean, I guess you can call it a trade because draw is here, 30-second. Snipe the top there. I was about to exit right away, and I was like, let me give it a second, see how we react to this 30-second, and then we just stomped. Yeah, probably gonna stop and break even.
So the
still don't know how to place a stop.
I don't know if the 1 minute closed. No, it didn't close below.
Flatten.
Do you see how this 1 minute, so it wicks down, then comes back up? You know, because based on the time of the candle, what it wants to do is it wants to scare people into, you know, chasing. Then if you chase that, now you're just stuck. So now you're like, well, you know, I'm in drawdown, but it might still close below, and then, you know, that's how it grabs the liquidity. And again, we still have the bullish SMT down there, right? Just because we have the bearish one on top doesn't mean that the bullish one is just, you know, you just ignore it.
Stop that break even on the last contract. Again, not an actual trade. Just kind of locking in my trading day. How much did I make on these accounts? $36. Let's go.
Could be the order block to the 1 minute.
Damn. Did I just get stop hunted on that? Oh well.
Remember, 15 seconds for this to close. And then if it closes below this green candle, it's an order block. You just expect it to go down.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like, yeah, we're just stalling now. Oh, I know why we're stalling.
Just want to see a sell off here. Take out these lows.
Yeah, I mean, the draw is just, again, like, I still have my alert set. Not really looking to take a funded play in all honesty, but if I see something like A+++, I'll take it with, like, here's the thing, like, if I've seen my strategy, you know, get like runners with like 100 points, I could literally just take 1 micro and hold it.
Mm-hmm. That's kind of like $200 with 1 micro.
Yeah. So there's the 1 minute close. So you'd want to see this just straight dump.
Yeah, not like hold this week opening up.
Yeah, it's had enough consolidation. So you just want to see this like just go full.
Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it.
Okay. — 40 seconds until this 1 minute closes. Again, you'd want to see like an order block put in here. Because look at the signature and price. You know, green candles. As soon as we put in these order blocks, we get these big dumps.
Yeah. Damn. 120 point dump from that 1 minute that I randomly called out.
Again, you don't want to see this stall around here too long.
But did you guys enjoy the stream today? I think it was pretty good. Called out nice moves. Yeah, nice. No trades on my funded. Just took one on eval and this paper traded. Fearless, should I take the payout or keep growing my account? Made 2.3k this week. And here's the paper trade. I'll post it later. Coming back into the 1 minute. Let's see if it holds.
Again, it's just the SMT down there that's, you know, probably holding us up. What else is there? Let's see, 5 minute. I mean, again, like those 15 minutes as well, we're just, you know, they're stacked together. We're just bouncing off of those.
What a move. And if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. This is probably going to be my last YouTube stream.
Yeah, like the Discord, the stream is just better. Like, yeah, there was technical issues, I guess, like that were pretty much outside of our control. But yeah, like there's, you know, the Discord is, there's no latency there, you know.
Here's the paper executions. That's 50 plus 20, 70 points. Took partials and then I added back. Took more partials.
You'd basically want to see this, you know, this fold into this low at 2034, and then displace down, you know. Keep taking those on the way. Like there's relative equal lows and stuff. So
bro, can we take out these lows so I can call it?
Yeah, at least 2034.
2034. Oh yeah.
Yeah, like this.
No, don't worry, it's gonna dump.
Again, you don't want it to go above 2062, 63. You kind of just want to see this fold downwards and go. See, 15 second, 30 second.
Here we have the market maker buy model, and now we're in the sell model. Okay, let me. Okay, did you use the standard deviations?
No, not really. I just use like the 50%. Just to, that's the only thing I really use. I don't really use like the 2.5 and stuff like that.
Yeah, I forgot to draw them out, but look at this. Manipulation leg, negative 2.5 hits. What is it called? Retracement, straight into 1 minute dump. Negative 4 hits, retracement, 1 minute dump.
Yeah, I mean they are precise.
Yeah, you should definitely be taking partials at like negative 2 and negative 2.5. What the hell? Yo, Dino just banned someone.
I want to see this like this. I want to see this close right below 49ish. 20 seconds with displacement too. Like I don't want to see these like little, like weak closes that we've been getting.
I'm gonna take this short on my FTT accounts with like 1 micro.
Right here.
Let's see. Look at the 5 minute. Nah, never mind. Bouncing off the new week opening gap. I'll take my 30 bucks, 36 bucks. So I need another 7 trading days. Bro, I'm gonna call it here unless you wanna talk. I gotta go somewhere.
So I'm gonna, what I'll do is I might grab like another eval and then just play around with that. But like again, if you're green, you know, go enjoy your weekend.
Yeah. Okay. How many points did you catch on the first trade, or actually the only trade we took?
Like 40 something.
No, you caught more because I caught 46 or something. It went 70 points. I took it off at like 47. pretty much 50.
89. Yeah, 50 points. I got 50 points.
Yeah,
Like
50 points. And then this trade, I drew everything out, but again, I didn't take it because I know people it's gonna copy trade me. Paper trade, 70 points, but I'm not gonna count that. So the only trade we took today, one on eval, 50 points, just around 50 points, and then 140 points yesterday. That's 190 plus another 35, 10. Okay, I can't do the math. 140, 50, 35, and then like 90 on Tuesday.
Yeah, so like 315.
Yeah, 315. 315 points for the week. Nice little week. The only day we didn't trade was like Monday.
Yeah, well, I don't think we took any trades on Monday.
Yeah. So
And then we
Tuesday,
got DM thing. We got alert.
yeah, Tuesday and Thursday were like only the two big days. That's all you need. Just 1 to 2 good days. Wednesday, small gain.
Yeah. The goal is to go into the next day with an account, right? Like whether that's an eval or a funded, like that's the goal. It doesn't matter if you've lost 100 or if you've made 100. Like the goal is that the next day you still have an account to go in with, right? So, and even if you blew an account, your immediate thought shouldn't be, okay, like let me get a new eval and pass this eval. No, it should be literally just keep the account. But yeah, I got my alert set. I'll probably pick up an eval and just trade that.
Wait, what code are you gonna use on your email?
Okay, gonna end it here.
Don't fuck with me.
Using code fearless.
Okay, nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna call here too. Nice end to the week, and we'll probably live stream on Monday. And if you haven't already joined the Discord, because this will be my last YouTube stream. Alright.
Yeah, there's no reason not to join the Discord. Just join the Discord. But yeah, have a great weekend, guys.
Alright, guys.